Now we will be studying about impact of jet on symmetrical moving chord plate. Previously the chord plate was fixed. Now the chord plate is moving in this direction with a velocity u. The jet of water is striking at a velocity v at the center of the chord plate. Since the chord plate is moving at a velocity u, so there will be a relative velocity between jet of water and moving plate. So the relative velocity here will be v minus u. Relative velocity will be v minus u. In other words, we can say the jet of water strikes the chord plate at a velocity v minus u, and we assume that the surface of chord plate is smooth. That's why the velocity at which jet strikes the plate is equal to the velocity at which the jet leaves the plate. That means this one will be v minus u. Okay, so the velocity at outlet will be v minus u. Let v is equal to velocity of jet, a is equal to cross sectional area of the jet, u is equal to velocity of plate in the direction of jet. Here one new term we are adding. Actually it was this relative velocity is the new term. No, not new term, we are only giving a symbol to this new term, giving a symbol to this term, that is vr. Previously we didn't use that vr, but from now onwards we will use that symbol vr. That means that is relative velocity, and it is equal to v minus u, and theta is equal to angle made by the chord plate at one end of the tips. That means here, and the angle, as previously I have told you, the angle is made with the horizontal axis. The angle is measured with the horizontal axis. This is v minus u, and it makes an angle theta. Similarly at this end also same thing happens. This is theta. Now let's derive Fx. Fx means force exerted by jet on the plate in the direction of x. So Fx is equal to rate of mass whole into initial velocity minus final velocity. Rate of mass, the formula for rate of mass here will be rho a vr. That means rho a into relative velocity. In previous case it was rho a v. Why? Because the plate was fixed, but here the plate is moving. That's why while calculating or while expressing rate of mass, we have to consider relative velocity, not the velocity of jet. So the the expression for rate of mass becomes rho a v, and initial velocity means the velocity at which the jet strikes the plate, that is vr. And final velocity here we have to find the component of v minus u. This is the velocity at which jet leaves, but it can have two components. One is v minus u sin theta, and another is v minus u cos theta, and this will be minus because this direction is in opposite to this direction. So here in place of final velocity we can write minus vr cos theta. So finally it will be rho a vr whole into vr plus vr cos theta. Then if we take vr as common, the final expression will be rho a r rho a v r square whole into 1 plus cos theta. So this is about our fx. Then we have to find out rate of work done. Rate of work done we know is power. So to calculate power, the formula for calculating power is force into velocity, that is known to us. So here the force is Fx and velocity means velocity of plate. So that is u, Fx into u. So in place of Fx we can put rho a vr square whole into 1 plus cos theta, and in place of u, so it will be rho a vr square whole into 1 plus cos theta u. Thank you.